Hi guys, welcome back to Fun for Tastic Kids. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own interchangeable DIY phone case. Now, before we get started on how to make these, let me show you how it works. Take your clear plastic phone case cover and take your paper cutout that has washi tape on it. Simply slide it into your phone case, put the phone in, and you have yourself your own interchangeable phone case. Now that you know how it works, let's get started on making it. Okay, to make this phone case, you will need a phone, a clear plastic phone case, lots of washi tape, scrap paper, do not use cardstock or else it'll be too thick, scissors, a mechanical pencil. Okay, now that we know what we need, let's get started with step one. First, you're going to take out your phone and your scrap paper, and you're just going to trace your phone with a mechanical pencil. Do not use a regular pencil because you do not want to get pencil marks on your phone. Now that you have it all traced on your paper, you're going to take out your clear plastic phone case. You're just going to place it front facing down over where you just traced your phone. Now you're just going to trace the camera hole. Make sure to give it enough space. Now you have what looks like a phone case traced on your paper. You're just going to take your scissors and cut it out. Be very careful with this step because we don't want it to be too big or too small. Now that you've cut out your paper, you're going to cut out the camera hole. So basically just kind of stick your scissors through the whole part, make a little hole inside, and cut around on the inside. Tiny scissors would be good for this. Now you don't want to make it too small, but you don't want to make it too big either. Now you have what looks like a paper phone case. And comment down below how many times I say phone case in this video. Alright everybody, now your paper will look like a paper phone case. This is the fun part. You get to choose your washi tape. I'm going to do this teal one with the white dots. So take your phone and you're just going to place your white paper phone case on top, making sure the camera hole fits on there. It looks good. And now this is the side you're going to put the washi tape on. So take your mechanical pencil and just draw a little circle or something. And make sure to put the washi tape on this side. Now we're going to put the washi tape on. Take a piece, make sure it's a little longer than your phone, rip it off. If your washi tape's a little bit clear, you may want to erase the circle. That's the way mine is, so I'm just going to erase the circle. We're just going to place it on like this, straight and nice. And we're going to take another piece, doesn't matter how long, just make sure it's a little longer than the phone. Put it on, make sure it lines up with whatever pattern that you are doing, and get it down. Now I'm on the last piece, just going to put it right on. This part is the most fun, but also it's the most challenging. All right, everybody, so I finished taping it. My camera, the card was full, it cut off, and so I had to delete a few pictures. But so far, I've cut around it. Now, you are just going to cut the camera hole. You're just going to stick your scissors through and cut around it, just like you did when it was paper. Okay, your phone case is complete. And now let's see how it looks on your phone. Take your plastic phone case, put your paper one inside, line it up to make sure it fits, and place your phone in. I think it needs a little bit more trimming around the camera hole. Then it'll be good. I'll be right back while I do that.
A little while later.
Alright guys, I've trimmed a little bit around the camera hole and it's done. It looks amazing. Now I have a few extra things I will show you that can make your phone case look really cool. Tape on a paper silhouette of something you like. Use sparkly tape for extra glamour. Add different kinds of tapes diagonally. Make some holiday themed ones. Put on tape in these kinds of ways or the ways you like. Crisscross skinny washi tape to make a cool background. Here's another idea you can do. If you like drawing, you can draw a picture or you can draw a comic strip like I did on this one. Now I'd like to show you the first phone case that I ever made. This is the first one I made, and as you can see, it's very crazy. It has lots of different colors. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!